The country has been on edge ever since the first positive case of COVID-19 was announced, with the government pronouncing a raft of mitigation mechanisms to contain its spread. And with the threat now spreading across most of the country, doctors in Trans Nzoia County are threatening to down their tools, accusing the county administration of allegedly overlooking the welfare of health workers since the launch of a campaign to fight the spread of coronavirus. The doctors now want the county government to pay their salaries within 7 days, failure to which they will down their tools.
Na sisi mpaka saa hizi hatuna mshahara, tunaumia na njaa. Tunahitaji kusikizwa, kaunti yetu haijatupatia nafasi ya kupeana mazungumzo yetu, wasikie shida tunazo za mshahara.
Kama watakuwa wametekeleza haya matakwa, sisi tutaweka tools zetu chini na mtu asitublame. Tumejaribu yetu yote yenye tuyawezavyo, lakini hakuna mtu anatilia ombi letu maanani.
The medics painted a picture of a devastated workforce that has to put up with delayed salaries and a lack of personal protective equipment while waging war against the pandemic.
Sisi tuweze kuwaona nyinyi kama wagonjwa wetu wa Trans Nzoia, lazima pia sisi tuwe na kinga. Otherwise pia sisi tutakuwa madaktari hatari wenye kueneza ugonjwa huu wa corona.
And the leadership of this county, we are putting you to task to ensure that doctors are well protected. Otherwise, when you call us, when you need us, and we refuse to appear, all the blame will be on your hands.
Meanwhile, religious leaders in Nakuru County now want to be involved in distribution of relief food and supplies to ensure that only deserving cases adversely affected by COVID-19 outbreak benefit. The leaders said stringent measures should be put in place to ensure that a few greedy individuals do not take advantage of the exercise to enrich themselves.
Kama wanagawa chakula yoyote ya msaada kwa ajili ya wale watu ambao wako na njaa na shida, ninawaomba tu kwa huruma ya Mwenyezi Mungu washirikiane na wachungaji. Maana wachungaji ndio wanabeba wale watu wana mashida aina mbalimbali.
Elsewhere, the war against COVID-19 disease in Kisumu County received a major boost after a local farm donated 30 beds to boost quarantine bed capacity in the area. The donation by Abyssinia Iron and Steel Company Limited, among other interventions, will bring the county's installed quarantine bed capacity to 398. Speaking after receiving the donation at Lumumba Sub-County Hospital in Kisumu, Governor Anyang' Nyong'o said additional beds shall be installed at the facility, which has the capacity of holding 70 patients.
We have KMTC with 128 bed capacity, and we are in the process of completing a 200-bed center at the county referral facility near the Jomo Kenyatta Sports Ground. We are now going around identifying suitable institutions in the sub-counties that can also be equipped to be used as quarantine centers. And
in Kilifi County, those caught floating directives as set out by the Ministry of Health will be arrested and forced to quarantine at their cost. Kilifi County Governor Amason Kingi is expressing concern on how people casually ignore government directives despite the dangers posed by the deadly disease. Kingi directed all sub-chiefs, village elders and county administrators to ensure directives issued by the national government are adhered to.
Kwa hivyo wako hapo polisi, tutawatoa leo, tumewaandalia pahali ambao tutawashika pale kwa siku 14. Baada ya hapo tutawapima, alafu ndo waachilie. Iwe lile funzo la watu wengine ambao watatoka.
And mass testing for the coronavirus has kicked off at the port of Mombasa for the employees of the Kenya Ports Authority on Sunday. Acting Managing Director Engineer Rashid Salim and General Manager Operations and Harbour Master Captain William Ruto coordinated the exercise and were among the first 50 KPA staff to undergo the COVID-19 test.
We're taking the measure to ensure that everybody is tested. And all our workers we are testing today, we are starting with the confectional cargo operations. Tomorrow we will do also the security and also container terminal operations. Those are the key areas where we cannot stop operations because the port works 24/7 a day.
Beatrice Gatonye Ngetich, Channel 1 News.